Ang init. Sobrang init dito. Ayoko na sa... Gusto ko sa Snow World. Stress na ako dito sa Philippines. I'm so stressed. The weather is not really... Oh my God. It's really hot. Oh my gosh. This is not, this is not good for me. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Really hot. Well, I'm gonna buy something in the groceries. And then, oh, Krispy Kreme.
That smells so good.
Kaka-stress ang weather. Weather. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's so good.
Wait, Marcos. It's a good thing that the aircon inside the mall is really, wow, volume. Super. Mega. Wait. Oh my gosh. Ang sakit ng balakang ko. May red ka nito. Ay, hindi yan. Ano bang brand yun? Ano ba yun? Yes, I'm looking for something.
Oh, look. It's so pretty.
No, not that one. Lip balm. Na Revlon. Revlon siya. Yeah, I think. For my lips.
Ang lip balm lang.
Because it's cracking. Because of the heat. Oh my gosh. Wala.
Other brand, ma'am.
Other brand.
Balm lang.
Kasi I'm not sure kung Revlon yun or Into It. Patingin nga lang yung red. Let me see. Nihingal ako.
Gusto niyo po maupo, ma'am?
Hindi yan. Ayun yung ganyan. Ayan. OMG. Yeah, that's my brand. Akala ko Revlon yan. Yung kulay red, yan ba yun?
Ito, bago natin to, lip balm din siya, pero stain. Mas tumatagal yung kulay.
Gusto ko lang. Ang galing yan. Yan yung Into It ba yan?
Opo, ma'am.
Alam mo, ang stupid ako. Naghahanap ako ng something na himali pala yung pangalan, yung brand. Sige po, isa niyan.
Ano pa po?
Isa niyan. Ano drama nito?
Ito naman po, lip tint. Lip and cheek tint.
Ayoko. Balm lang. Lip balm. Ito gamit ko eh. Ang galing nito. Grabe. Binlag ko na. Into It, sorry ha. Into It. Revlon ako ng Revlon. Mali ako. My mistake. Into It pala to.
It's like the same one.
I know. That's why it's almost finish eh. Kaya I need a new one.
So you need
Yeah. Okay.
so pretty.
Which one? Which one's pretty?
Look right there. It's so pretty.
No, that's makeup.
Oh.
Ay, meron pala sila dito, says lady.
See, I told you.
I have that already.
You have that.
Oh my God, ang haba ng line. I just wanna buy a piece of The line is so...
Right.
From Antipolo to New York City. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
Nana, look at all this tiny little bag.
My goodness, stage.
Michelle? Nana, look at all that bag. Michelle,
It's not even cute, day. It's hot. Look at the line up. Oh my goodness. I don't need it, Shabby. Oh my gosh. Ay, kuya, sambali niya. Sa'yo ba ako? Ah, okay. Thank you, kuya. Kuya is sweet. Shabby, stay beside me. Ah, okay. Ah, it's so tiring. The weather, it's no good. It's not good for asthmatic old lady like me. Okay, I have to go. Nangangawit na yung shoulder ko. Ano ba, meron bang aning tit ko? Lipstick yung tit ko. Ang kulit ng mga minions ko at may back. Oh my goodness. Okay. Bye-bye, TikTok. Ciao.